In this video we listed best 5 smoothie blender on Amazon for price and other details. Links available in the description.
The Super Products presents.
We all know the benefits that come from eating a healthy, balanced diet, but sometimes that's not always easy. Until now. This is NutriBullet, the original nutrient extractor. With the NutriBullet, you can now easily get your daily recommended fruits and vegetables in a fast, simple, and convenient way. Not by eating them, but by drinking them. The NutriBullet is a nutritional breakthrough designed for anyone looking to improve their overall health with nutrition. Here's how it works. First, add spinach for fiber, berries for antioxidants, and some banana for potassium. Then almonds and seeds for omega-3 oils. Add water and watch how the NutriBullet completely breaks everything down. Even the fiber, nuts, and seeds have been completely broken down, extracting all their essential nutrients, creating a smooth, delicious nutrient-packed smoothie that can literally transform your life. The secret is NutriBullet's 600-watt motor, combined with bullet-exclusive cyclonic action that forces everything into the NutriBullet extractor blades, breaking down and pulverizing the stems, seeds, and skins, releasing the essential nutrients trapped inside, taking ordinary foods and turning them into superfoods, giving you the strength and energy you need for a full, active lifestyle, whatever your age. The NutriBullet comes with everything you'll need to get started on your path to health and wellness, including the supersized 24-ounce cup, perfect for everyday use, and ideal for making healthy dips, dressings, and sauces. The NutriBullet makes getting those vital nutrients fast, convenient, and you'll be amazed just how great it can make you feel. To get the most out of your life, you need to get the most out of your food. NutriBullet, the original superfood nutrient extractor.
Ninja Total Crushing technology crushes ice to snow in seconds with 1,000 watts of professional power. Our BPA-free XL 72-ounce professional blender jar is perfect for making creamy, frozen drinks and smoothies for the entire family.
Hand mixers are versatile kitchen tools, but they can be sometimes clumsy and awkward to use. Well, not anymore. Introducing the Breville control grip with its ergonomically designed handle. It has a unique grip that's similar to a gun. 3 fingers sit below the trigger and the index finger can fully extend around for greater stability and comfort. The versatility of this stick mixer makes the control grip a handy kitchen tool for small quick jobs. It has a stainless steel blending shaft, chopper bowl and whisk attachment to tackle any kitchen task. Use it to make velvety soups, thick mayonnaise, fluffy whipped creams or chunky pesto and salsas. The blending shaft is ideal for milkshakes, smoothies, cocktails, soups, dips and baby food. The oval-shaped base blade has 2 inner ribs that create more turbulence so that food actually folds onto the blades for more thorough blending. And that means you don't have to move it up and down to try and catch the food. And you'll also notice that there's no more suction to the bottom like other hand blenders. and it means it's a lot easier to operate. The stick mixer is long enough so you can puree food directly into a tall pot, and that means you don't have to transfer hot liquid to a blender, and you'll make less mess in the kitchen. And because the stainless steel shaft has a soft base, it won't scratch a non-stick pot. The chopper bowl is not only ideal for chopping onions or fresh herbs, it's also great for meats, nuts, cheese, ice, crumbling cookies for cheesecake bases, or even breadcrumbs. To use, place the ingredients inside the bowl, and here we have some guacamole. All the ingredients should be cut into the same size, but don't go over the max line, and then place the lid on. And I like to place the chopper bowl inside the jug because you can hold the handle while chopping for more control. And it's a neater way to store it too. You only need to push the trigger a few times to chop your food evenly, so be careful not to over-process and check it as you're chopping. The whisk attachment can be used for cream, egg whites, or light batters. Just click it into place, gently turn up the speed to the highest 15, and then gently raise and lower the whisk until lovely peaks are formed, but try not to hit the edges. To clean, just wipe down your trigger motor with a damp cloth, and all the parts are top shelf dishwasher safe except for the chopper blade. The control grip, brought to you by the food thinkers at Breville.
Hello everyone, my name's Matt Dugan, Corporate Executive Chef with Vitamix, and today I'd like to walk you through our Explorian E310 blender. It comes standard with 48-ounce container and tamper and some simple features that allow you to use the versatility of the Vitamix machine to its fullest. A simple on-off switch, variable speed, and variable pulse allow you to do anything that you'd like to do in a Vitamix blender. Today we're going to be making a simple almond milk. As you can see, no ingredient is too tough for a Vitamix blender, especially when it comes to things like raw or roasted nuts and whole pitted dates, and turn them into the smoothest nut milk you can make at home, full of fiber and nutrition. Again, that's our Explorian E310 blender. Cheers.
Please subscribe for more videos.